Question number 1. Write any 2 points to justify that urbanization brings energy series. Answer. Any 2 points to justify that urbanization brings energy series are given below. 1. Along with the increasing urbanization, the demand of petroleum products has been increasing day by day to run automobiles, industries, etc. Such enormous demand of energy brings energy series. 2 number. The urbanization of present day world is due to energy for heat, light and power. To meet the necessities of increasing population, the demand of energy sources is increasing throughout the world. But till now we are depending mainly on petroleum products which cannot last longer as they are non-renewable energy sources and their stock is limited in nature. Therefore we can say that the increasing urbanization brings energy series. Question number 2. What can be done to increase the magnitude of current produced by bicycle dynamo? Give any 2 points. Any two methods to increase the magnitude of current generated by a bicycle dynamo are follows. By increasing the number of turns of wire in the coil, by increasing the speed of rotation. Question number 3. What is the cause for placing calcium in II group of the modern periodic table? The outermost shell of calcium atom consists of two electrons, therefore calcium is placed in II2 group of modern periodic table. Question number 4. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes chemical pollution. How? Answer. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and insecticides pollutes the environments and consumption of fruits and vegetables produced by using insecticides affects our health. Similarly, excessive use of chemical fertilizers causes water pollution and consumption of fruits and vegetables by using chemical fertilizer affects our health. In this way, the excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes chemical pollution. Question number 5. Why is vegetative propagation beneficial to the farmers? Justify with any two reasons. Answer. Vegetative propagation is beneficial to the farmers because of the following reasons. I. Gardeners, farmers, and botanists can grow a large number of plants by this method. Second, the plants which do not produce viable seeds like rose, sugarcane, potato, etc. can easily be produced by this method. Question number 6. How can we get silk thread from the cocoon? Explain. Answer. The cocoons of silk moth are kept in hot water or hot air to kill pupae inside them. It is done to obtain a single unbroken silk fiber from the cocoon. Then the silk thread is extracted from the cocoons in silk industries. Question number 7. What preventive measures should be adopted suffering from the diabetes? Answer. Following preventive measures should be adopted by the patients suffering from diabetes. I. Balanced diet should be consumed and healthy lifestyle should be adopted. II. Obesity should be reduced. III. Tension should be reduced. IV. Smoking and drinking alcohol should be avoided. Green vegetables and fruits should be consumed. BI. Physical exercise should be done regularly. BII. Morning walks should be done till sweating.